Hello YouTube, this is Eric Bauer with my very first toy review. And judging by the title, you should know who's coming up. The Atomic Roar Godzilla 2014. And I got this guy as a graduation gift, and I'll get onto the toy itself. And as you can see, it's slightly based off the figure, the incarnation. And as you can see, Gaffer was pretty much went realistic with Godzilla. And there's the feet everybody keeps complaining about. Just remember, he went for a realistic appearance for Goji. And now, articulation. Both his arms can move up and down. Not 360 though. The leg can move, but it's for the gimmick, as I will show you. 3, 2, 1. How awesome is that? As for history, this will contain spoilers, so watch at your own risk. This incarnation of Goji has been around way even longer than humanity, even before 1954, which he apparently got nuked. As for the kaiju he battles, the Mutos, they were said to be parasitic, but yeah, it's the movie. Anyways, Godzilla first makes his appearance in Hawaii to track down the male Muto, which he does at an airport. However, the battle itself was taken from a news reporter. Like, just when this battle's just going to get started, it just cuts off to a news report. Anyways, Godzilla now makes his way to San Francisco, followed by the military, of course. Which he is confronted by the U.S. government. Godzilla was pretty much trying to track down the Mutos. Just he doesn't give any care of humanity much. Anyways, just one scene that might scare me in the movie was the seagull just running into a window when Godzilla was about to arrive. Anyways, as for the main battle against the Mutos, I want to say they give Godzilla quite a beating. Godzilla tail swats the male Muto while the female gets the kiss of death, as you put it, before he collapsed. And this will pretty much be the first Godzilla movie where he actually collapses in a movie after a battle. After a while, he gets out, roars, and returns to the sea, and that's the last we ever see of him. Until the sequel in 2016. And that's the end of this incarnation's history. As for a size comparison, here are 3 examples. By the Roar Godzilla, Gomorrah, and Ultraman Mebius. Whoop. Stand up for me. This is how big he is compared to your average Bandai figures. All 3, I would assume, only come up to his arms. Yeah. They're pretty big. that is the figure's review. History is well known, but this incarnation is pretty new. Sizing is pretty big. Articulation, so-so. And there's one thing I forgot to mention. Detail. And let's see if you can see. The teeth aren't individually sculpted, considering it's plastic toy. Just look at the detail. Just wow. And does capture the newest incarnation pretty well. And also, yeah, although the eyes don't have pupils. In the end, I will give this figure 5 stars. That will be my honest opinion. So that's it. And this is the end of this toy review on this channel. And before I go, that is all Godzilla has to say.